So we have another interview question over here. So what we have to find an employee who is getting highest salary among his department. So suppose there is a specific department called IT department, and on those department, like in this IT department, we have to find the employee name who is getting highest salary. So we have an approach. If we'll sort the data, like if we'll filter over here, right? We will filter and put the department name is equals to IT, and if we'll sort it, right? If you'll sort it with the descending order and use the top one logic, right? We could get that highest paid employed for particular department. But the question is like we don't have to use the top one logic. So how we will solve that without top one logic? So let's see what we will do. We will use an and variable over here, and we will put the salary one more very filter, and in that we will put select max salary, and which table we have this table, right? So just use the condition as well. So we got the highest means earning employee for the IT department, right? So without using top one logic, so what we did, we have find the max salary for the particular department. So suppose max salary for that department, right? We have 9,000, and we have put into the salary, and we have find the department name like for that a specific department. Then we got, so like if you'll not use over here this filter, right? Suppose department filter, then what will happen, we will get the multiple department name over here. So suppose like I'll show you, we are getting the multiple, suppose IT and finance department who having the value as a 9,000. So this might be the issue if you will not put the department filter. So I hope you have understood this.